Hey everybody, thank you guys for tuning back to my channel. Before I get started, make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. This video today is pretty much going to be how I achieve this look. It's the first day of classes for me. I am in the graduate program at WOC University, trying to get my master's in rehabilitation counseling. Besides being in school, I work full time, I do my internships, and it just seems like this is my face, okay? Like, I can get it done with, like, I really can't say how long it takes me. It depends on how I'm feeling in the day, in the time when I'm doing it, but this is my everyday face, and I think that it's pretty minimal to where others can do it too. With this look, I'm going to make sure that I input all the items that I use down below, so make sure that you can, if you want to see what I used, it'll be down below for your access. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Face is already primed, and I used the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter primer, so that's what I primed my face with. And I'm about to conceal my face with the Maybeline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer in the color Deep. So I'm just gonna take it and apply it up in here. And then I have this e.l.f. blending brush or blending sponge. It has an angle, and I use that angle to blend everything in. So we're just gonna blend and all that good stuff. And I really like this concealer because it's like, I don't like many concealers, and I've tried a few, like even the ones that a lot of people like. And this one, for some reason, it just, the tone, the color tone that I need, it's perfect. Or at least I like it. Alright. So then I'm going to take a wet beauty blender. I'm going to take this wet beauty blender, and I'm now going to pump my foundation on it. And this is also Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter foundation, and I am in the shade 430. And I'm just gonna apply this. And then where I concealed, I'm gonna pat that. I'm gonna pat like the accent, the remainder. I'm gonna pat the remainder of the foundation, just like on the concealed area. And make sure I normally like get a little bit of foundation, and I apply it at the bottom, because you don't want the neck and the chin to not blend. Like, why are you doing your makeup if you're not going to be blending? Translucent setting powder, and apply that under my eye. I'm going to use the end. So remember that sponge that I used for my concealer? I'm going to use the white part at the bottom to apply my setting powder. So I just kind of like dip it in there lightly, try to get some excess off, and then I just apply it right under my eye. And some people feel like this might be a lot for like, hey, you don't have that much time, I'm on the go. But it's like, this what you feel like you need to do, sis? Do it. But man, I'm just gonna brush that away. And then I'm going to use my Sephora Matte Perfection Powder Foundation in 64, which is Neutral Mocha. And this is what it looks like. I'm just going to let's take this brush. It's my Sephora powder brush. And just going to dip that in there. And then smoothly just go over my face. And when you're doing this, you don't want to like pat like this. Like, I feel like that leaves you like super like blotchy looking. So you just kind of swipe. And then we're almost done. So now, if you are struggling like me in the brow community, we are going to take, I have this e.l.f. brow pencil, and I think this is in black or dark brown. I lost the cap and the label to it, so it's a darker color. Just pick the color that matches your eyebrows and you'll be fine. So I'm going to take this pencil and then I'm going to outline my eyebrows, and I'm going to brush the product in. CJ knows. Alright, so I outlined the brow with the pencil. And then now I'm going to take the e.l.f. pomade. It's like a duo pomade. It has the powder and a cream. And I'm going to use an angled brush. And I'm just going to dip that in there. And I'm going to fill in the brows with this. But with light strokes, not heavy. So, because it will be massive if you just like apply a lot. So, light strokes. So now I'm going to use my Sephora concealer in Pot de Crème, which is number 16. And I'm gonna take this, and then I have a small flat brush, and I just get a little bit of that, and then I'm going to apply it to the bottom of my eyebrows.
When applying concealer to your eyebrows and you're doing this kind of minimized look, don't really apply too much. So I kind of go make a line, and then I brush in the product that is left over. And then I'm going to take a little bit and clean up the top.
And then I use that same concealer sponge that I used earlier and just kind of press it in. So I'm using MAC Razin blush. And this blush I've had for years, okay? Like years. And then I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. And then I kind of just apply a little bit to the tip of my nose and get some right up in here. And then I guess I haven't really done a lash in a while, so I guess I could do a lash. So this is also, I'm using, this is from e.l.f. I think it was like $1 or maybe $3, and it's just Natural Lash kit. And then I'm going to use the Fenty Glow lip gloss.
This on the cartoon.